देखते हैं 12A एक्सरसाइज का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। तो सबसे पहले इसमें दिया क्या उसको हम देखेंगे। प्रिंसिपल 6400, रेट 60% पर एनम एंड टाइम 2 आवर्स। चलिए, तो हमको सबसे पहले इसका सिंपल इंटरेस्ट निकालना है। सिंपल इंटरेस्ट का फॉर्मूला जैसा मैंने बताया P इंटू आर इंटू टी बाई 100। पुटअप करेंगे 6400, टाइम है 6 और ये है 2 इयर्स बाई 100। ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा, बच गया क्या 64 इंटू 12। तो 64 इंटू 12 कितना है उसको हम करके यहाँ पे लिख देंगे, वो हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा। 64 इंटू 12 करते हैं तो ये आ गया हमारा 759। कहने का मतलब इसका जो सिंपल इंटरेस्ट है वो 768 है। अच्छा, तो इसके आगे अब हम देखते हैं अमाउंट क्या हो। जैसा कि मैंने पहले बताया कि अमाउंट इक्वल टू होता है P प्लस एस आई। P is given 6400 and SI I found as 768. So add all. After adding it, 7168. It is the amount of the given sum. And next, question number 3. Now let us start question number C3. Principal. What is given in the question? Principal 1500, rate 12% PA and time 3 years 3 months. So at first we have to converting times in years. 3 whole 3 by 12. Cut it. It will be in years. Months divided by 12, so that months converted into years. 3 whole 1 by 4. 4 3 are 12, 13, 13 by 4 years. SI we have to find. P into R into T by 100. P is 1500, R is 12 and time 13 will be above and 4 will be below. Cut it. 4 3 are 12, 15 3 are 45 into 13. 45 into 13 we have to multiply. 585. Now we have to find amount P plus SI. P is given rupees 1500 plus SI 585 2085 is the answer. With the similar questions one by one we have to solve. And now next, find the time. In this question, principal is given rupees 6400, ASI equal to rupees 1152 and the rate equal to 6% per annum. Now we have to focus here. Principal is given, SI is given and rate is given. So we have to find address. Time. Time formula is SI into 100 by P into R. SI is 1152 into 100 by P 6400 into rate 6. Solve it. 3 2 are 6, 3 3 are 9, 2 5 3 8 are 4, 6. So it is 6 years. Is the final answer. 6 by 2, it will be 3 equal to 3 years. Now, 7 and 8, it is similar to question number 6. One by one we have to find the time that is given in the questions, but again I solve the question number 8. principal is given 5,000, amount equal to 6450 rupees, rate equal to 12% PA. We have to focus about this question. Principal and an amount. In this case, we have to find ASI. So how can we find ASI? ASI equal to amount minus P. It is clear from the above formula. P plus ASI equal to A. From this formula, we have to find ASI. By the transposition rule, A minus P equal to ASI. A is given 6450 minus 5000. It means it will be 1450. Now we have to start again. SI, rates and principal, and again we have to find time. So time equal to SI into 100 by P into R. SI is given 1450 into 100 by 5000 into 12. Solve it. 29. 29 by 12 years. Again we have to convert it. 5. It is the question and answer. Now let us start to find the rate. Question number 9. Principal is given rupees 8250, ASI equal to rupees 1100, time equal to 2 years. So we have to focus for these questions. It is given that we have to find the rate. How can we find? We know that rate equal to ASI into 100 by principal into time. ASI is given rupees 1100 into 100 and principal is given rupees 8250 and time is given 2 years. Solve it one by one. 2 5s, 5 1 5, 5 6 30, 5 5s, and again got it. 1100 by 165, 5 3 are 15, 5 3 are 15, 5 2 are 10, 5 2 are 10, 11 3 are 33, 11 2 are 20, 22, it will 20 by 3%. It is the answer. Next, question number 12. 10 and 11 just like the 9 number questions and 12 it is a word problem. We have to read the questions clearly. Question number 12. Shanta borrowed rupees 6,000 from the State Bank of India for 3 years 8 months at 12% per annum. What amount will clear of her debt? इस प्रश्न में क्या कहता है? इस प्रश्न में कहा जा रहा है कि बोरो किया कुछ मनी फ्रॉम द स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. तो जो बोरो किया दैट विल बी प्रिंसिपल. दैट इज क्लियर. बिकॉज हम कहीं से लेते हैं तो हमारा क्या हो जाता है? प्रिंसिपल होता है यानी मूलधन हो जाता है. तो इन दिस क्वेश्चंस इट इज गिवन हियर प्रिंसिपल इक्वल टू 6,000 एंड टाइम इज गिवन ईयर एंड बोथ and month in both. 3 years 8 months. So at first we have to convert it 3 whole 8 by 12 in years. 2 4 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 3 jar. It means 3 whole 2 by 3 years. We can write 3 3 jar 9 to 11, 11 by 3 years. Now, rate is given 12%. Principal, time and rate. At first we have to find SI at any cost. P into R into T by 100. Principal is rupees 6,000. R is given 12%. Time 11 by 3. 3 will be below. 100 into 3. 2020 3 4 ja. 11 4 ja. 44 or 44 into 6. 264 and 10. It is SI. But we have to find amount. What amount have to pay Shanta to a State Bank of India after clear the time 3 years 8 months. Amount equal to P plus SI. P is given 6,000 rupees plus 2640. It means 8640 is the amount to pay to a State Bank of India by Shanta. Now let us start question number 13. Hari borrowed rupees 12,600 from a money lender. Borrowed money is 12,600. So it will be principal. Rupees 12,600 at 15% per annum. So it will be rate. 15% per annum is the rate. After 3 years, it means 3 years. Time is given also in month and years. In both, in any questions, it will be given in year and month conjugate. So time equal to 3 years. He paid 7070, it means 7,070. This paid by Hari and gave a God to clear off the debts. At last, after clearing the time 3 years, Hari paid some money and a God to clear his debt. So what is the cost of the God? It is very clear from the questions. At first we have to find SI and amount. So SI equal to P into R into T by 100. P is rupees 1260 into R 15% into 3 years by 100. Solve it. Rupees 126 into 15 3 ja 45 and we have to multiply. What will be the answer? Five, 6, 7, 0. It is the SI. Now we have to find amount. So amount equal to P plus SI. P is given rupees 126 12,600 plus 5670. After adding it, it will be 0, 7, 18,270. But according to question, Hari cleared his debt by paying 7,070 rupees and a God. But first we can find, according to question, rupees 7070 plus God equal to 1827. So by transposition rule, we have to find God. Rupees 18270 minus, it will be this side because it is in LHS and it will come in right side. So it will be minus because it is in plus in this side. Rupees 7070. What is the answer? 002 11,200 is the cost of the God. This is the right answer. Next question. 14 number. We have to read the question clearly, what is given in the questions, and we have to follow the instructions of the given questions. So question number 14, the simple interest on a certain sum. Certain sum, it means certain amount rupees. So we have to find, it is clear from the questions, and at last they also given find the sum, it means principal. So we have to understand the questions clearly. For 3 hours, years, time equal to 3 years, and rate equal to 10% per annum, and ASI simple interest, it is given rupees 829.50. Now time rate SI, so we have to find the sum, it means principal. So principal equal to SI into 100 by T into R. SI 829.50 into 100 by 3 into 10. Again we have to solve. 3 2 जा 6, 3 7 जा 21, 3 6 जा 18, 3 5 जा 14. 276.50 into 10. According to the rule of the multiplication of decimal point, it will be 2765.0. It means rupees 2765 is the answer. Question number 15. Now, a sum when reckoned at 7 whole on by 2% per annum amount to rupees 3920 in 3 years, find the sum. Very clearly. Rate is given 7 whole 1 by 2%. 7 2 ja 14 1 15 by 2%. Time equal to rupees 3 years. Time equal to 3 years. Per annum amounts to find the sum. Now as per question, we have to go ahead. Amount is given rupees 3920. Rate 15 by 2%. Time 3 years. Amount itna. So at first we have to find. Let principal be rupees P. For x, it is a convenience, we have to find Px by Z, anyone. But first, SI equal to P into R into T by 100. Now, P R is given 15 and time 300 by 2. 5 3 ja 520, 3 3 ja 9, 9 P by 40. So amount equal to P plus SI. We have taken principal P and SI 9P by 40. In this case, we have to take LCM. 40P plus 9P by 40, 49P by 40. Again, according to question, we have to go ahead. 49P by 40 equal to 3920. So P equal to 3920 into 40 by 49. Eight times. So principal equal to 3200. So it is the answer. Friends, in this video, B will remain up to here, and second part for this exercise will be published very soon. Then you have to see this video and understand what are the demerits in the given video. So all of you have to comment. We can say a lovely comments for this video, and what all of us want by the side of this channel. Tell me clearly. Thanks a lot.